I was gifted the purple shampoo and conditioner set by Bellisso, and I've been genuinely impressed with how it works on my platinum blonde hair. If you're like me and your hair tends to pick up those brassy yellow tones way too easily, this set is definitely worth trying. Right from the first wash, I could feel how gentle it is. It's completely free of sulfates, parabens, and it's cruelty-free. The scent is light and clean, not too strong, but it leaves my hair smelling fresh. The texture is really nice. Both the shampoo and conditioner feel silky and rich, almost like something you'd get in a salon. And the fact that it's made with ingredients like aloe vera, jojoba, and argan oil really makes a difference. My hair feels softer, smoother, and way more hydrated after each use. I've been using it a couple times a week, and I can already see my color looking brighter and more even. If you have platinum, silver, or even naturally gray hair, this is a great set to help tone things down and keep your hair looking its best without any harsh ingredients.